Here's a question from Ed on Twitter. Zapier, will there be a Medium action anytime soon? Switching from IFT due to the pinboard fiasco. Now, Medium does have an API, and while there are no built-in Zapier actions for Medium yet, we can use Zapier's code app to connect to the Medium API and create Medium posts from Zapier. So let me show you how it's done. For my trigger, I went ahead and set up a webhook, and this is just for demonstration purposes. The important thing to see is that, let's say that you're setting up a multi-step Zap. Eventually, you're going to need to have at least two things, and that is the title of some article that you want to post to Medium and the content in HTML. And if you have some content in Markdown, you can use Zapier's formatter app to convert that to HTML. Now, I also have a URL and some tags that are in a comma-separated format. And the URL is the URL of the original article that you're posting to Medium. So if it appeared somewhere else first and you want to indicate that, include that. And I just wanted to also point out that these tags, title, content, these labels don't matter yet. We'll get to the important labels in the next step. But I just wanted to show you the 4 things that you can include, and you must include at least 2, which is the title of an article and some content. So again, let's say that you have a trigger, you have some multi-step Zap actions happening, but eventually you have a title and you have some content that's in HTML, and you think, all right, I want to, at this point in this Zap, post this to Medium. Well, then you will create an action for code with the action of run JavaScript. And then here's where it all happens. Now, these are the very important labels, and the ordering doesn't matter. You can put title and content first. You can see that I have inserted a field here, and I'll do that now. Insert a field, and then I click on tags, apple, comma, carrot, comma, banana. And those are just some example tags, but the format is important. They need to be separated by commas. And actually, I'm just remembering, I didn't write any code to remove a trailing comma, so make sure that there's no comma after the very last one. So a comma after each except the very last one. Okay, so I inserted the tags, content, URL, and title from what I used as a webhook, but it can be any type of trigger. Now, these keys are very important. Medium underscore tags, medium underscore content. Here's the hard one, medium underscore canonical URL, and medium underscore title. So those need to match exactly. And you can, if you want, leave out the tags and canonical URL. Those are optional. Content and title are required. Now, in the code section, I have created all this code for you, and I will link to it in the description of this video. Just copy everything here and paste it in. And the one thing you need to enter is a Medium integration token. And that is going to come from your Medium settings. Scroll down to integration tokens, enter a description. I'll call this one Zapier demo, and click get integration token. Now copy it, and you won't want to share this with anyone. It's essentially a password to your Medium account, and I'll be revoking this one after I complete this tutorial. So I paste that between the double quotes, and that's it. No need to do anything else below. Scroll down, click continue, and I'm going to retest this. So here we go. The Medium tags, apple, comma, carrot, comma, banana. Medium content. This is the content of an article. It is written in HTML. You can see those paragraph tags there. The canonical URL, the original article source, is right there, and the Medium title, title of an article. Double check before you test this because it should look a lot like this. We've got the integration token, and we are ready to test by clicking create and continue. It should work, and in this case it does. We'll click View Your Run JavaScript, and it's looking good. We've got the license URL, the title, author ID, published at. So this is some of the data that's being returned from Medium, the response from Medium, and you could use some of these things like the license or the author ID in a different part of this Zap. Now, the moment of truth, let's go to Medium and do a refresh and see what happened. We are now seeing one public story, title of an article. This is the content of an article. It is written in HTML. If we click on it, we're seeing apple, carrot, and banana. Now, I'm not too familiar with Medium, so I don't know where the canonical URL would be. Let's see. Add to publication, customize title. Well, again, not too familiar with Medium, but I know that it is included somewhere in here. So there we go. I posted a story to Medium. The important thing to note at this point is it is not associated with a publication. And I'm looking at the Medium API here. What I've used is the creating a post endpoint. And then if we scroll down, you can see that the Medium API also offers a creating a post under a publication. If you are interested in creating a post under a publication using Zapier, then reach out to me on Twitter. It is my name, Reganstarr, Reganstarr, and just let me know, hey, I am also interested in the creating a post under a publication action for Zapier, because I just went with the most basic example to start. And so if this is enough, great, but if you want something else, just let me know and I can make that happen for you. So that is it. Pretty easy. And again, keep in mind that the trigger is going to be very flexible. You can use whatever you want as long as at some point your multi-step Zap has some type of title and some type of HTML content. Then it is possible to create a Medium post. All you have to do is run some JavaScript code as an action, get these keys correct, lined up with the correct inputs there, paste in all the code, which again will be linked to in the description of this video, create a Medium integration token, and you are good to go.